When you reach a big milestone, you can download a free GIF file from Tubebuddy that counts to 100 or 1000 or whatever. It is very cute. To download it, you need to get the Tubebuddy extension and connect it to your YouTube account. Now that you have Tubebuddy and you connected your YouTube channel to Tubebuddy, go to YouTube and find the top Tubebuddy menu. Click on it. And on the fourth tab, you'll see your milestones. Find the milestone you want to share the achievement for and click on it. Now you're back on the Tubebuddy website. If you have a regular milestone, you can only download the image. But if you reach a significant milestone like 100,000, you can download it as a GIF. After downloading, open YouTube, go to the community tab, thank your subscribers and publish the milestone. You can get Tubebuddy for free. The link is in the description. If you want to learn more about Tubebuddy's free and paid tools that can help you grow your channel faster, check the full playlist of tutorials.